Hi, let's take a look at some of the basics of editing your site using Elementor. I've got the Chaz Edwards site here, which is a bit smushed because of this sidebar on the left here. But if I make it go away, you'll see the site looks normal again. So the first thing you'll notice is that every page on your site is split into multiple sections or containers. For our purposes today, they're essentially the same thing. So to select a section or a container, you can just click on it from this side panel here, and it'll take you right to it. Or if you're just scrolling down the page and you see a section that you want to select, you can just click on this little tag at the top here, on this middle button. And you see it selected in the sidebar as well. Now let's say you want to add a new element to your page. We've got this container selected now, and let's say we want to add something here. You need to go to the top left and just click on this plus icon. Now you have a list of a ton of elements that you can just add to your page. So let's just go ahead and add a new heading. To add it, all I have to do is click on it and drag and drop it wherever on the page I want it. So you'll see there are some pink lines showing up on the page. That's to show you where it's gonna be placed if you drop it. So let's just drop it here. Okay, it's blue like the background, so it's a bit difficult to see. Let me fix that. Okay. All right, so we just added a heading. Now let's say we want to add something else. We go back to the add element button here, and let's add an image. Again, I'll click on it and hold it, just drag and drop it wherever I want it. I will place it under this new heading that we just added, and there you go. That pretty much covers adding elements to existing sections. Let's go ahead and delete these. So to delete an element, you either just click on it on the page and you'll see you'll have delete here. Okay. Or if it's selected, you can also delete it from this side panel here. Just right click on it again and delete. Now, let's say you want to add a new section with new elements. You'll see that at the top of each section or container, you have an add section button. You just click on it, and now you select add new container. Select Flexbox or grid based on your needs. Well, let's just go with Flexbox now. And you can either split this container right from the start, depending on what you want to do with it, or just choose the direction of the elements that you're going to place inside it. You'll see what I mean in a second. Let's just go with vertical right now. Okay, so we've created a new section which is now empty. You'll see that it has this little plus sign here. If you click on it, it will just display all the elements that you can add to it. So let's go ahead and add a heading. Okay, and let's add a few more things. Let's add a button as well, place it below the heading. Let's add something else. How about an icon? I'll place it below the button. Okay, so we've got a heading, a button, and an icon in this new container or section that we just created. Now, if you look over on the left, we have the direction setting like we had when we first added this container. And you'll remember we set it to vertical. So what this means is that each element inside this this container will be placed vertically. But for example, if I go and place it horizontally, you'll see now they're just all next to each other. So that's basically what that is. If you want your elements on a row, just go with horizontal, or in a column, just go with vertical. You can also just reverse them both horizontally and vertically based on your needs. So let's leave them vertical for now. And if you want to delete a section or a container, you'll see this little X icon right here. And boom, it's gone. If you delete something by accident or make an edit that you just want to reverse, all you have to do is press Ctrl Z and it's back.